Meaning of follow-through.
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 Follow-through. Follow-through refers to the act of completing a task or action that has been started. It is the process of seeing something through to its end rather than abandoning it halfway. Having good follow-through skills is important in achieving success and meeting goals. When someone demonstrates strong follow-through, they are typically reliable, trustworthy, and responsible. In contrast, poor follow-through can result in unfinished tasks, missed opportunities, and lack of progress. Overall, follow-through is a key aspect of productivity and success in many areas of life.